Chapter 12. Our Industries. Introduction to the chapter. India is endowed with plenty of natural resources to fulfill most of your needs. Many of these resources, however, cannot be used directly. You cannot use wheat, cotton, tea leaves, logs of wood and iron ore directly. This is because they are raw materials. To be able to use them, you need to convert them into finished goods such as bread, cloth, tea, furniture and utensils. Raw materials are converted into finished good by an industry. There are many types of industries in India. Cottage industries. Cottage industries involve manufacturing goods at home with simple tools. Some people produce things in their own home. Some such industries are weaving clothes on handlooms, extracting oil, grinding flour, handicrafts, making toys, furniture and leather goods. Small-scale industries. Small-scale industries do not need very big investment. These industries employ a few workers and use small machines. People work in a small factory. Such industries make utensils, cycle parts, garments, hosiery items, automobile parts, electrical and plastic goods. Large-scale industries. Industries where goods are manufactured on a very large scale with the help of big machines are called large-scale industries. Highly skilled labor is needed. Large-scale industries include textile, iron and steel mills, oil refineries, chemical plants and factories manufacturing automobiles and railway engines. Large-scale industries are generally located in areas where raw materials, labor and sources of power are easily available. Most of them are located in or near big cities. India is one of the world's leading producers of cotton textiles. There are over 2,000 cotton textile mills located mostly around Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Kolkata, Kanpur, Bengaluru, Chennai, Coimbatore, Madurai, Varanasi and Panipat. The black soil found in Gujarat and Maharashtra is suitable for growing cotton. Iron and steel plants. Most iron and steel plants are located near the coal and iron ore mining regions. The main centers are Jamshedpur, Bhilai, Bokaro, Durgapur, Rourkela, Salem, and Vishakhapatnam. Silk and woolen textile mills. Silk textile mills are located at Bengaluru, Mysore, Kachipuram, Varanasi, and Bhagalpur. Woolen textile mills are located in Amritsar, Ludhiana, Panipat, Kanpur, Mumbai, Mirzapur, Jamnagar and Srinagar. The railway equipment industries are located in Chittaranjan, Varanasi, Kapurthala, Kolkata and Perambur. Automobile factories. The automobile factories are located in Gurugram, Pune, Chennai, Kolkata, Jabalpur, Jamshedpur and Nashik. Bengaluru is called the Silicon Valley of India. This is because a large number of information technology (IT) companies have offices here. Electronic goods industries. Electronic goods industries are located in Bengaluru, Mumbai, Chennai, Coimbatore, Pune, Lucknow, Kolkata, Delhi and Panchkula. Ships are built at the shipyards of Kochi, Vishakhapatnam, Mumbai and Marmugam. Aeroplanes are made in a few government-owned factories in Bengaluru, Lucknow, Nashik, Hyderabad and Koraput. Sugar mills. India is the second largest producer of sugar in the world after Cuba. Sugar mills are located in the sugarcane producing states of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Punjab and Tamil Nadu. Jute mills. Most of the jute mills are located in and around Kolkata. The main centre are Kolkata, Risra, Titagarh, Howrah, Bhuj and Nahati. This is because the soil and climate of West Bengal are suited for the cultivation of jute. Jute needs a hot and humid climate and soil that can hold water. Other important industries in India are cement, fertilizer, glass, paper, machine tools, heavy machinery, chemicals and garments. India is fast becoming an industrialized country. The growth of industries is very important for the overall progress of the country.